Hello students. Now we shall look at one more concept that is called as depreciation. You might have not heard this word, but in industry, in business, it is very popularly used terminology. So let us look at depreciation. Depreciation is the decrease in value of physical properties with the passage of time and use. I'll just give one more example here. Suppose you buy a taxi for commercial purpose to make a livelihood. You pay 10 lakh rupees and buy the taxi, or say 15 lakh rupees and buy a taxi. So depreciation is the decrease in value of physical properties with the passage of time and use. So when you use the vehicle, say after first year, second year, third year, so its value of the vehicle reduces. Okay, as the time passes, as you use, its value is reduced. That you know. If you take a car for 15 lakhs and next year you want to sell, you may not get even 12 lakhs for that. I hope you agree with me. That is why, especially in industries and all, I was in railways, so I'll just cite one railway example. We have a fund called as Depreciation Reserve Fund. Means, suppose you have bought a car for 15 lakh rupees and the life of the vehicle is 15 years. So every year you will take out 1 lakh rupees and keep separately in the bank, so that after 15 years, after the useful life of the car or taxi, you are able to replace with a new one. That fund is known as Depreciation Reserve Fund. Now I hope you understand. So every year the value of the property or machinery, equipment reduces as you use it, as the time passes by. Most assets are worthless as they age. Even you can take your mobile phones. The depreciation is very fast here. Within 4 or 5 years, the value will reduce drastically, maybe 1 to 25%. Suppose you buy a mobile for 10,000 rupees and after 3-4 years, its value will not be 1 to 2,500 rupees. Production equipment gradually become less valuable through wear and tear. This lessening in value is recognized in accounting practices as an operating expense. Okay, the reduction in value is recognized in accounting practices as an operating expense. The outlay is spread over the life of the asset in the accounting records. So you have to record in the accounts, you will keep the record. Annual depreciation deductions are intended to match the yearly fraction of value used by an asset in the production of income over the asset's actual economic life. As I was citing the example of railway depreciation reserve fund, here also annual depreciation deductions are intended to match the yearly fraction of value used by an asset in the production of income over the asset's actual economic life. So again you take the case of your taxi only. So suppose the value of the vehicle is reducing at the rate of 1 lakh rupees per year on an average. So that deductions are made and kept, so that for the economic life of the car, say 15 years, so that you are able to buy a new one at the end of the economic life of this asset. The actual amount of depreciation can never be established until the asset is retired from service. So this is not a very precise calculation, but provision is being made so that whatever there is a reduction in the value, that deductions are made and kept. So depreciation can be defined in 3 senses. Like physical depreciation, which is caused due to physical decay. Like even you take your taxi again. So if you use every day, suppose if you are using a taxi and the taxi runs for almost 50,000 or 1 lakh kilometers in a year, definitely there is a physical depreciation due to wear and tear. Second, economic depreciation is the loss of value of an asset due to an outdated technology. Like I was telling in the case of, you can take even taxi again. Now suppose we are talking of electrical cars. So in another 5-10 years you will have more number of electrical cars, electrical taxis. So this economic depreciation is the loss of the value of an asset due to outdated technology. If suppose in another 5 years or 10 years the cost of electrical vehicles are in par or equal to the petrol cars today, then people will definitely switch over to electrical cars in days to come. So that is the economic depreciation. And third is accounting sense depreciation is the estimated value of fall in the worth of an asset. So accounting means in terms of financial terms, so the accounting sense depreciation is the estimated value of fall in the worth, means the reduction in the worth of the asset. So as in the case of taxi, so if you take a taxi and you sell it after 1 or 2 years, definitely there is a fall in the worth. Okay, that is known as accounting sense depreciation. So in this discussion we have seen that depreciation is the value, means the value of the physical property is reduced with the passage of time and usage. So this reduction in value is called as the depreciation. And depreciation can be physical depreciation, or it can be economic depreciation, or accounting sense depreciation. Now